The jury has found a Grundy County deputy guilty of criminally negligent homicide and not guilty of reckless homicide.
Deputy Toby Holmes is convicted of firing a gunshot into a car which killed Shelby Comer. Channel 3's Travis Cummings joins us live from outside the courthouse. And Travis, we understand it wasn't easy for the jury to come to this verdict?
No, Cindy, it wasn't. It took the jury about 5 hours to make a decision today. They heard from both Holmes' defense team and the state before they began deliberating early this morning. Now, the state, who believes that Holmes killed Comer, said the medical examiner found that Comer had died of a gunshot wound to her back and there was blood on her clothing. They said Bean, who was driving the vehicle with Comer inside, Jackie Bean, he was found not to have a gun when he was caught later. They also pointed to inconsistencies in Holmes' report and his body camera footage not being applicable in this case. Now, Holmes' defense team reinforced the testimony from a defense expert medical examiner that showed Comer had already died of an overdose of methamphetamine when she was shot, and that Holmes was doing his job and protecting himself. The prosecution said, however, Comer was just present and did not deserve to die that night.
They want to say because she was Jackie Wayne Bean that she was fair game. That's not what the law says. The law says that if you can't claim self-defense of yourself or even self-defense of others, and recklessly kill an innocent third party. Shelby Comer wasn't doing anything. She was in that front seat.
And next, the court will determine the length of how much time Holmes will serve in a sentence. Now, the offense is a Class E felony, which means he can only be sentenced to a maximum of 2 years, and that can be on probation, partially in jail, or partially in a penitentiary. And the sentencing has been set for April 3rd. Now, we also got a statement from the Grundy County Sheriff's Office this evening, who I would like to point out said that today is a sad day, quote, for law enforcement across this state and a dark day for Grundy County. They continued and, quote, said, "We will never stop or even slow down the war on drugs if we keep blaming those who are fighting to keep us from it." Reporting in Grundy County tonight, Travis Cummings, Channel 3 Eyewitness News.
Thank you, Travis.